Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Do you want to see if you're on track for retirement? Well, Empower's retirement planner can show you in just a few clicks. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you guys now, exactly how to use the retirement planner tool on Empower. So the first step is to open the planner. From the planning tab, you're going to select retirement planner. Now this tool pulls in your linked accounts and financial data automatically. Next step is to set retirement age and spending goals. So now you just enter your desired retirement age and the amount that you expect to spend each year after retiring. Next step is to add income sources. Now include Social Security, pensions, or any other expected income. This gives a more accurate projection. Next is to review projections. Now, Empower will run simulations to predict whether your savings will last through retirement based on your inputs and market trends. The final step is to adjust and improve. Try changing your savings rates, retirement age, or investment returns to see how it impacts your plans overall. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.